Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So Friday freebie day today, and this is number 181. So for the next 4, like I did say before, we're going to have some just sort of like random Friday freebies. So today I thought, because it's sort of like the time of year that we sort of like plant seeds and do our gardens and things like that, I thought I'd just do some seed packets, which I love. They've come out really, really lovely. So we've got chrysanthemums and we have cherry tomatoes. So it's like a little seed pack, and then we've got like a little journaling card to go inside. Now they do also fit a little gift card. So this is an Amazon gift card, and that fits in there really, really nicely. So if you know somebody that's into gardening and likes things like this, that would be perfect to pop a little gift card in there, and then you've got a little card on there to write a thank you note or happy birthday or something like that. But I'm loving them. I think they are really, really lovely. We've got Family Farm Seeds and Co on this one, and I think they're great. So for our lovely, lovely Ko-fi supporters, we have made a little collage page, and this has got begonias, pansies, nasturtiums, wild strawberries, geraniums, lavender, the chrysanthemums and carnations on, and I just think that would make a fab journal cover, wouldn't it? Like a little gardening one, which is great. Now because these came out really well and I loved them, we have made like a little kit which is fabulous, and I've made some. I just think they are lovely. So this is going to be in the shop. You get 6 pages, so you get 12 packs of seeds, and then you also get, I've made some of these, look, let's pop this over there. So I've made some of the seed packets, but you get 6 pages, 2 on each page, and then you get some like little journal cards as well, which I love, and I think these would make a fab addition to any sort of like gardening journal. So we've got these, look, I just think they're so pretty. They're 2 different size packets, so you've got one bigger one and one sort of like slightly smaller, but I just think they're great, and I just think they look lovely in a little journal. So it's a time of the year, isn't it, to do sort of like gardening bits. So I might have to do sort of like a gardening journal at some point as well, add to my list. So let's pop those to the side, and this is what they look like, and I just think they're great. So I've just popped them together, really, really simple. I haven't printed on the back of them, and then we've got like a little card in there which says you can write on. So if you are a gardener, you could write little things of when on here, on the card, of when you've planted your cherry tomatoes or your seeds and things like that. So I just think they're great. Love them. So really, really simple. So let's pop those to the side. Now I've already cut them out, ready to go. I've still got a really bag back, so I can't sit down for too long, so this is going to be a nice quick one today. So I've just cut them out, and then all you want to do is just fold this side down, fold that side down. Now this bit you don't fold, because that's the bit you want to pop some glue on, and then you just want to glue that down. So they're really, really nice and simple and quick to do. A little bit of glue on there, like that. So yes, my back is still really sore. I really don't know what I did. I've popped everything on. One of you lovelies told me to put some Volta on, rub it in, which I have done. I've taken painkillers and everything, so I'm trying to keep moving, because they say you're not supposed to sort of keep still, are you? You're supposed to sort of like move about so you don't seize up. Oh, it's not good. So if any of you have got back pains or back problems, I sympathise with you completely. But I'm sure it will not last too long. Well, I'm hoping. Okay, look at that. See how easy. And then we just fold that over, just like that. Now what I did do, I just added a little bit on this one. I just added a little bit of ink. So if you wanted them a little bit more sort of grungy on there, a little bit dirty, like a little seed packet, you could just add a little bit of ink to them. Like that. See, these would be nice just in a nice little vintagey journal, wouldn't they? A little bit of ink on there. So I think these are called the vintage seed packets. I'll pop the link down below, so if you wanted to get some more, they are in the shop, which are lovely. Just a little bit of ink around here. But wouldn't that be nice if you had somebody that you know in your family or friends that likes to garden? You could even make this into sort of almost like a little birthday card, and then pop a little gift card in there as well. I think that would be great. So then that just opens up. Let's take that off my finger, and we pop that inside and then close it up. So if you in your journals, you could probably just paper clip that in. Let's just finish that one, and then I'm going to pop them into my my little paper bag journal, which I haven't worked in for ages. I do actually need to make a new Friday Freebie one, another Friday Freebie journal, so I'll get round to that at some point. But the Friday Freebies that I've been doing are all for my other journal anyway, like the Shaberdashery journal, so I've not really needed to put them into my Friday Freebie journal. Let's just ink this up like that. So I hope you guys are going to have a lovely weekend, whether you've got anything planned or not. I don't have anything planned. I'm going to try and sort of take it easy. I do want to do a little bit more on my Shaberdashery journal, but it depends how long I can sit for, doesn't it? So there we go. Let's pop that on there. Let's pop a little bit of glue on here. Like this. So that just folds down there and sticks down. So simple, isn't it? A little bit of glue on here. Fold that up. We've got the little seed pack number on there, which looks really good, doesn't it? Oops. That comes down. Oh, I just think they're so cute. Right, let's just ink around the edge. So I haven't printed on the back, but again, you can print just a bit of sort of like tea stain paper or something on the back. And I'm not going to sew on these either, because I don't think they need sewing on. Pop that in there like that. Tell you what would look good. Have I got anything? Let me just, to make a pocket out of, let's see, I've got my this is my paper bag journal, which I haven't worked in for ages and ages. Let's just find a page. Let's have a look. What have we got? Should we just stick them on this one? Let's just stick them on it. What I was thinking of is like a little bit of sort of like Hessian or something. You could make like a little Hessian pocket, like a, Josh, I mean, wouldn't that look good? Let me just have a quick peek. Hang on 2 seconds. Okay, so what I've got some string, and I also have some of this, so which I haven't opened yet. Let me just take that off. Sorry, it's a bit noisy. So it doesn't really say what it is on there, but that would look good as a pocket, wouldn't it? Let's just find the end. Is it doubled up? Oh, you get quite a lot on here. Is that the end? Was it doubled up? Maybe not. Let's just... That was the end. Okay, so I'm going to just cut a little slice off here. Looked like it was doubled up because that was folded over. I think I just picked this up from the local shop. I think it's a local sort of like Chinese shop that I picked it up from. Which I quite like that ruggedy bit. Oh, how fun. That makes a fabulous pocket, doesn't it? That's what I shall do. Should we cut that off there? I'm going to cut that bit off because that's got sort of like a sewn edge on it. But I like this. Let's bend it that way. Pop that on. And then we've got the little seed packets that fit in there like that. Oh, I like that. I've got some string. What can we do with the string? Sort of like a little stringy bit that we could do. We need to put on, don't we? Just like, actually I've got like a little scissors, like a little charm. Hang on 2 secs. Okay, so I've got like these little scissor charms, which are quite nice because you have these sort of like scissors in the garden bit, don't you, with the string. I think that might look quite nice. They would also look good in my haberdashery one as well. Let's put those to the side. I forgot about those. But yes, we could put these on, couldn't we? That's a good idea. So it looks like a... Because have you seen the lovely balls of string on the metal stands? They had one, but it was quite expensive. But I did him and ha over it, but I didn't pick it up in the end. What should we do? What should we do? Should we just wrinkle that up and stick that on? I like that. Now I've got my glue gun. Let's just have a look. Is it gonna... Just turned it on, so I'm just going to glue gun this down. This is a fun one, isn't it? Let's just glue along this bit. Stick that down. Like that. What should we do? Should we just pull that up? It's quite nice, just sort of like stuck on there, isn't it? I think these are just a little bit too long. A little bit of... Yep, that's what I will do. Don't think about it too much. A little bit of glue on there. Pop that on there. I remember my gran used to have a ball of string with her scissors on there, out in her greenhouse. So I just sort of like stick these little randomy bits on as well. Bit of glue. Oops. Let's just stick that. There we go, that will do. And then we've got little cherry tomatoes. We've got that. So you can get little charms of like sort of like, whoops, gardening charms you might have, which would sort of like hang off there and which would look good, wouldn't it? I do like that. I think that's lovely. Shall we pop all of them in? Now I've got a couple of cherry tomatoes, haven't we? So because I made a few. So that looks fab. Look at that. I love it. So there we go, guys. Little idea. So that's just sort of like some sort of hessian, I think it is, isn't it? Or burlap, bit of string, a little charm, and then you've got a lovely little pocket for your seeds. So where are we? Let's get this out. So this is your Friday freebie. So if you're new to my channel, I do a Friday freebie most Fridays, and you can download them on my Facebook page, which is Happiness and Crafting. I'll pop all the links down below anyway. So please do pop over, join the group. There's some fantastic inspiration in there for all you lovely ladies and gents. So do pop along and have a look. And also this one, if you are a monthly supporter for my Ko-fi, you'll get this as well. So do pop over there, and again, links will be under the video, so please do pop over and have a look. And if you're a monthly supporter, don't forget there's lots of other little freebies in there for you as well. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic rest of the day, a beautiful weekend. I hope you are going to be doing something nice and exciting, and I will see you all soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.